Let's talk cycling bags. All right, this used to be my old school bag when we're going to bike adventures. I still use it, but I think there's a better alternative. So let's get inside here. I think you see the problem, right? Your shoes. I normally have a bag in here to cover the shoes in case they get muddy. You got your chamois butter, you got your clothes there, jerseys, glasses, GPS, and then the other stuff here as well, right? So you have your socks, arm warmers, heart rate monitor, you name it. So it works, but definitely, if you get anything dirty, sweaty, you mix and you clean stuff with the dirty stuff. So let's look at the better alternatives that are out there. So, I went looking online to see some options for you guys. So I found this website, jensenusa.com. They have some options there. They don't have a very good selection of pictures, so you can't really see what you're getting, which usually I don't like, because then you pay for shipping and all that becomes a pain. This one does have, but you don't get the whole picture. It's okay. Let's see here. So that's okay, but the site that I found that really had the best selection is there's Nomad Frontiers. These guys here, they've been around for a little bit. They're definitely geared. They just make cycling bags, looks like, for the most case. This Evoque 20, not a bad entry point. So if you're looking for something just to really dip your toes into, like cycling gear bags, it's out of stock because the price is just too good for what you get. Genuine, I think it's 20 liters. Let's go through the pictures here so you can see. But yeah, so on the smaller side, it looks like your Enduro helmet definitely takes up most of the space, but enough for gloves, goggles, bottles. Let's see there. So not a bad bag, but the one that really caught my eye, and it's really priced pretty well, I would say, is this Evoque 55. I considered this when I was shopping for mine. Their organization is pretty good. All their dividers, as you can see here, you can divide your helmet, pads, shoes, glasses, you name it, front pocket. This is the one option. Those dedicated shoulder straps are just, I think they must have, especially if you're maybe going through an airport, if you're going to be traveling on a plane with your cargo. I feel like this having dedicated shoulder straps is definitely the way to go. So I missed out on my bag, but there's other reasons I picked mine, and we'll go over that once we jump on that section. But yeah, so that's that. Pretty cool. And that's another thing, is like all their dividers come out, and you can kind of divide them, distribute the bag the way you want it to, depending on the size of your items. So not too shabby for that. And there was one other one I wanted to cover. I think this Castelli, yeah. Let's take a look at this one. Yeah, not much. Just waterproof bag though. So if you're looking for that kind of thing. But yeah, I would say this is definitely a site worth taking a look at. They have pretty good options, and the prices are, not bad, in my opinion. Let's take a look at this one while we're here. Why not, right? And they have good images, so you can really get to see what you're looking for, what you might want to buy. Pretty nice organization, dividers. Dedicated shoulder strap, they do that pretty well. Yeah, it looks like pretty nice. I didn't see any reviews on their website, so you'd have to maybe jump on YouTube for a review of that kind of stuff. Let's take a look. This is what I went with. This is mine, the Thule. I went with this for a couple reasons. Dedicated shoe pocket, and then you have another pocket up here, and then the divider. I wanted all my clothes and whatnot to be all in the same bag, and that way regular clothes could go in a dedicated bag. Just separate my things out a lot better. It helps with longer day trips. But we'll go through here, and I'll just kind of show you how I have the bag packed, so you can see. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. I miss having the double shoulder straps. That would be good. Maybe I can sew one on there. Maybe we'll have Yvonne sew some on there. But pretty generous pockets. You could see here, you can put, you know, a ton of stuff in here. You got your money hanging out there. I wouldn't recommend putting your wallet there. But yeah, all right. So let's jump into the bag, and you can take a look at how I have mine organized. All right, so this is how I have mine. On this pocket here, I got shoes. Normally, and actually the bottom is vented to keep those that bacteria at bay. But this is the bag in general. No dedicated straps, like I said earlier. But you got one top main compartment. How you get into the bag. Okay, so this is how I have mine lined up. Got helmet on one side. The bottom of the bag is lined, but I normally put this Smith liner down in here. That's the helmet carry bag, but I just put that down below. Gloves in here, and then you have generous pockets, about 14 pockets. I like this. It has a shielded, extra padded section for your glasses. You don't want to break those. And then you have another pocket back here. So this is normally where my socks go. I kind of have everything in the section where socks go there, and then in here generally jerseys, arm warmers, bibs, and then you have this other pocket here. So this is all other stuff that I normally carry. I would have my heart rate strap if I need a scarf cap if it's cold. You know, can't forget this Euro style. So that goes there. I usually have other stuff in there, like a battery pack if I need to charge something along the way. And then you have this front pocket. Normally I would have my backup GPS head unit, the carry would go in here. And then in the main pocket is where all the good stuff goes. Got extra lube in there, tail light, cables to charge anything that I carry around, GPS in here, tail light, so all the electronics go up front here. Yeah, that's it in a nutshell. Pretty straightforward. Nothing too crazy, but it just keeps the madness down of keeping track of all your stuff. That's all I had today. If you enjoyed the content, please consider subscribing, hitting the like button. It helps the channel out and lets me know that, hey, I'm digging this guy's content. Anyway, if you have anything in mind that you'd want me to review, please leave a comment down below, and also tell me what your favorite bag is. If I left it off the list, it really wasn't a list, but you know, I kind of highlighted on some of the bags I'll go with. So if you have one that you like, I'm curious to see what those other options look like. Until then, see you out on the road.